As students head back to school, the debate over in-person learning continues, and the CDC is weighing changes to its guidance for asymptomatic COVID patients. Jonathan Seri has more from Atlanta.
The FDA has authorized COVID booster shots manufactured by Pfizer for children as young as 12. This still needs to be signed off on by the director of the CDC. That may come sometime later this week. Meanwhile, students across the country are returning to the classroom after the holiday break. But more than 2,000 schools are closed or offering remote learning due to the recent spike in COVID cases. The CDC has endorsed a test-to-stay policy for students and staff who come in contact with an infected person. But many states are facing a testing shortage, like in Massachusetts, where the state's teachers union has called for schools to remain closed to allow more time to test faculty and staff.
We've had a lot of active traffic on our state website, which we've made available to all the Commonwealth cities and towns to purchase additional rapid tests, and we expect those will start arriving later this week.
There's a renewed urgency to improve safety measures in the classroom after pediatric COVID hospitalization spiked 58% in the last week. Health experts expect that number to continue climbing this month. Meanwhile, Dr. Anthony Fauci says federal health officials may adopt new guidance for asymptomatic COVID patients. The updated guidelines could require a negative test to end isolation after 5 days.
The mixed messaging, not only does it lead to confusion and frustration, but it leads ultimately to a lack of compliance.
The CDC currently recommends those leaving isolation wear a face mask in public for another 5 days.